Hi there everyone, it's EMMANUEL and me back again guys. So guys, in this video we're gonna show you guys how to grow your account risk-free, how to trade and get to withdraw your initial deposit and get to be trading with no risk involved. So you're gonna see how we do that guys. I'm telling you, you cannot afford to miss this lesson. In this video, what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna show you the power of Forex trading, what Forex trading can do and how you can do that for yourself as well. So since 2021 started guys, I'm proud to say that FS Code Academy has created a few millionaires.
Oh my God! Wow!
We have some students of ours who've withdrawn over 100k USD, some have decided to be anonymous, and some allow us to share their success with us here on YouTube, which is amazing obviously. Many people underestimate the power of 6 months guys. I'm telling you, if you can be consistent for the next 6 months and see what happens, your life can change forever.
Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible.
I remember 6 months back, there was one student of ours who joined us in our Forex Academy, and he said ever since the first day he's been saying that he's gonna buy a car. He's a humble young man, you know, he's still young, he just came from high school. Immediately after joining our academy, guys, he started putting on the work, putting on the efforts. 6 months later, boom! You know what? Let me not spoil this for you guys. Let's go check it out.
Nyambung. Thank you for the
This is how it looks like.
He knows the car! How can you buy pink? Marilyn, hey! Hi guys, man, I'm here with our student, FS Go student guys, just bought a car. Yeah, man, before I say anything, let me just leave the introduction to you.
Thank you so much.
Away.
So
man, what is your name, man? Tell these people.
My name is Bongani, well beloved. I started the FX Code, I think, last year, August. Yeah, early August. That's when I started with the FX Code.
So I want to ask you a question, man. So would you say it was easy for you to arrive here?
I wouldn't say it was an easy journey because Forex is never easy, man. You gotta put in the work each and every day, sleepless nights, pushing every day. So yeah, it wasn't easy at all.
Forex trading requires you to also believe in yourself, put in the work, put in the dedication. That's how you can get it.
Yeah. And can you tell us a bit about why did you decide to buy this piece specifically?
One of my mentors once said, in order to be great, you have to follow in those footsteps.
Yo.
So yeah.
It's beautiful, my king.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, bro. Congrats, bro. Bruh. Smoke us on YouTube. I always see you. Yeah, the most, you know, the most beautiful receptionist in the world. Y'all can see. Goats. Yes, sir.
Hi there everyone, we're back again guys. Still growing the same account that you saw on our last YouTube video. Double my account and then withdraw my initial deposit. So let's go to the market and see what kind of opportunities we can have today. Currently the market is at the resistance. Failed to break above, which means we are now looking for selling opportunities. Let me put my zone correctly. So as you can see guys, we're looking for a push towards the downside to reach that bullish support trend line in our overall bullish uptrend. Let me enter a few trades. Bear in mind guys, this is US30. It's more volatile than Nasdaq. Hence proper risk management is advised. Only executing 2 trades. Let's now go to Nasdaq and see what the market has for us. Another name for Nasdaq is US 100. Names differ based on each broker. Already I can see that we reached our high for today. So for Nasdaq, we're also looking for selling opportunities. Let me remove that. This is our resistance that confirmed our high for today. The market is giving us a retest in order to continue to push towards the downside. So let's enter a few trades. Remember to always use proper risk management. Let me put my phone on silent so that you can hear me properly. Looks like we can still enter more trades. Our free margin allows us. I want to try as much as I can to apply proper risk management. Okay? So anyways guys, let's step away from the market. We'll come back later. And we're back again guys. Yo! Seems like we took a loss today. I recently just put my stop loss and take profit in order to minimize my risk. But we all know guys, losses are part of Forex. We learn from them. Let's check out the analysis. Seems like the market got me with the stop loss hunt. However, I can still see that we have another confirmation for a sell entry. We are at a resistance of our second bearish small trend, which confirms our sells. So let's execute new entries. I'm increasing the risk a bit more now because I'm seeing a higher probability trade. Anyways guys, let's step away from the market. And we're back again guys. Closed my recent entries. The market didn't give us much movement till like late in the Sydney session. Damn, my MT4 wiped my analysis guys. So let me close my entries and secure my profits. We'll reanalyze from a TradingView Nasdaq analysis. It's important for you to analyze using TradingView in case your MT4 wipes away your analysis. Anyways, let me make sure I close everything. Can't really tell what's happening without my analysis. So I'm calling it a night guys. I'm closing everything as you can see. Let's check out the history. So this is what I made today. This is what I make in a week. Still the same account guys, still growing it. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. I'm calling it a night. We in deep profits guys. I'm currently driving, can't really record, so I'm calling it a day. We back again guys. Still had a busy morning today, but now I'm free. Anyways, the reason I'm entering so many trades now is because I can actually afford to risk like this. I've already withdrew twice my initial deposit on this specific account, and now I'm seeing a high probability of a buy. Take note guys, or nota bella, NB, don't do this at home unless you have an account you can risk on or you can risk with. I'm going all out now guys. It's a win or lose trade because I'm willing to risk with this account. As you can see guys, it's a beautiful buy setup. Reverse head and shoulder. The market had already touched the support of the bullish trend, so now we're expecting a push towards the upside and break our secondary bearish trend so that we reach the top of the resistance of the overall bullish trend. Anyways guys, let's step away from the market. We'll come back later and see how everything played out. And we're back in deep profits guys. Yes sir. Let's check out the analysis. Woo! I'm planning on both scalping and swinging this trade. We have our stop loss and take profit, but not on all entries. Still waiting for a strong push towards the upside guys. Let's step away for now. We'll come back later. And we're back again guys. Closed a few trades. Welcome to the blue city guys. We are in deep blue profits guys. I mean deep profits. The market finally broke through our trend line support. Yo, I'm actually speechless guys. I'm speechless. The market has been nothing but beautiful this whole week. Let's close and secure profits guys. Remember, pay yourselves. Let's close all profits. Yo. Hi guys. This was a beautiful setup guys. I'm glad that I went all in because I saw it as a high probability risk guys. Wow. Let's close guys. Yo. We paid ourselves guys. We paid ourselves. Damn. let's close everything, man. Let's close everything. Let's see the account. As you can see, guys, I withdraw 60k, and now I even made profits again today. Wow, what can I say, guys? Forex is the future. Let's step away from the market. We're back again, guys. It's a Friday, taking our last trades for the week. Let's check out the analysis. Looks like we broke above our bullish trend resistance, and we're currently in a small bullish channel. So we have a triple confirmation of a buy, being the small bullish trend support, the support zone, and the support of the overall bullish trend. So let's enter more trades, guys. Why? Because we have a high probability trade. Remember, guys, when you have high probability trades, do understand that we can enter more trades, however still apply proper risk management. Okay, let me enter a few more trades, however still remember, guys, I'm applying proper risk management. The account is bigger now. Anyways, let's step away from the market. We'll come back later. Looks like we're back again in profits, guys. Finally, the market has started to turn into our favor. Nasdaq has been respecting our setups the whole week, guys. That's amazing. Let me show you what confirms our direction anticipation correct. Okay, so the market has finally crossed our downtrending resistance. Let me place it correctly. Basically, right now, our trend line resistance has turned into a trend line support. We are now clear for buys, guys. Okay, so as you can see, our setup is there, our entries are entered. Let's step away from the market. We'll come back later. Wow, we're in deep blues again, guys. Nasdaq 4:30 news have provided us with a beautiful volatile movement towards the upside. Let's not fiddle with our trades or end up being chart zombies. Yes, sir. FS Gold in our building. Take profit hit, guys. Wow, take profit hit. Woo! What a great way to close off this profitable week, guys. Wow, what a winning streak. I'm speechless. Wow. Let's close our profits, guys. Let's make those Friday withdrawals, guys. Let's pay ourselves, okay? Let's pay ourselves. Let's keep on closing. Let's continue closing, guys. Let's continue closing and let's pay ourselves. Let's check out the analysis. Can we continue? Seems like it's a Friday, guys. Let's close. Let's make those Friday withdrawals. Yes, sir. Let's make those Friday withdrawals. Last 20k secured for the week. Okay, guys, let's go withdraw. Our withdrawal has finally came through, guys. We withdrew everything from this account. We'll start again next week, guys. FS Coach, your mentors, signing out. So yeah, guys, you guys can see I'm gonna go quickly to the month here to show you guys the entire history. If you start from the bottom, there was a 30,000 deposit, and from here we had our first withdrawal, continued, we have another withdrawal, continued, and last but not least we had a final withdrawal, of which that's how we took out everything from this account. As you can see, guys, we are done with it. So whatever the profits we have, some of this is going to be positive, some of it can be used to spend on other things, to invest in whatever. FS Coach, your mentors, signing out.